So here we have this VEVOR pond or pool vacuum cleaner. Now, full disclosure, this was sent to me for free, but the opinions in this video are my own. Alright, so we're going to test this out in just a minute, but first let me give you a closer look at it. It comes with this 6.5 foot, 2-inch drain hose that plugs right into here. You just unscrew this cap and plug it in. It also comes with a small drawstring bag that you can put on the end of the drain hose. Then it also comes with this 13 foot, 1.5-inch intake hose. You can plug it into the side to have it suck, or plug it into the top to have it blow. It also comes with 4 17-inch extension tubes, and then 4 different nozzles to help you suck up different stuff. The vacuum has a 15-foot cord, a simple button to turn it on and off, a nice carrying handle up top, 4 cheap casters to roll it around. There's 2 clips on the side that hold the top on. Then when you pull it off, there's a debris collection bag. You can easily pull it out and dump it, and then here's what the inside looks like. And then the top suction part has one of these removable foam filters on it. The vacuum's fully made of plastic. It seems pretty sturdy. I am a little bit worried that this inlet hose is going to be a little small, but let's go try this thing out and see how well it works. Alright, so I got this thing set up and then I tested it on this wheelbarrow full of water here. I tossed a few handfuls of pebbles and sand in, then I turned it on and started cleaning it out. One thing that's important to note is while the vacuum's running, it doesn't drain out the water, but after it fills up or after its 25-second automatic shutoff, then it will let the water drain out. The collection bag worked pretty well. You can see it's full of a bunch of leaves and rocks. And then here's the inside of the vacuum. There's quite a few more rocks and then a couple leaves. I felt around in the bottom of the wheelbarrow. Feels pretty clean. There were a couple larger pebbles left though. I might have missed them, or it might just not have been powerful enough. But yeah, overall, it seemed to work pretty well. It sucked up most of the sand and pebbles, and it was able to suck up leaves just fine without clogging up. So yeah, for my brief test, it seems like a pretty decent, cheap pond vacuum.